Hello guys, welcome to BitcoinMF. Quick TA update, the way I see the market today. I remind you this is not a financial advice in any form, so please make sure you do your own research, and let's dive right into it. Like always, we look at the daily chart, the naked chart with the levels that we've been following. Nothing has changed by the lines. I only added one line here on the 23rd of September. As you can see, it's a vertical line, and it's just a reminder for me of the Bakkt opening, and so I remember the date and I will see it on chart. So anyway, as we can see, we have a lot of market price action last days, and I might be not uploading a video, but I feel that there is not such a need in the last days, because the last video covered my basic idea, and whoever follows on the Discord server, I hope it helps that we follow and we get more details there. So anyways, if you want to follow, the links in the description, and if you don't want to follow, is also okay. But today we have a red candle, and right now, as you can see, it's already, the red candle is already below the last green candle, okay, below the last bottom of the body. This for me means that it is kind of a bearish sign, textbook bearish, and I also think lots of people look at it. And also we can see this right now, this line that we are is like very important, but because you see here are the bodies of the candles get chopped, it means that it is supporting on this level. So right now we are fighting on the support for the daily. In my opinion, this is what's happening. And if we have if we add the mimicators, now you can see that we have also an alert for 3 inside down pattern on the 15 minutes. Let's see how that plays out for us. But anyways, we added the mimicators as always, in the RSI, the MACD, and the stochastic RSI, the usual stuff. And what I also do, you know, I add the BitcoinMF strategy and the BB bands, and I change to Heikin-Ashi candles, and then I re-look at it, and I will explain you what I think and how I act and why I act this way. And again, it's not a financial advice. It doesn't mean it will happen. It doesn't mean it will play out, but this is what I do anyway. So you can see the last signal was short, and as the signal told, I am still short also. And right now we can see that this day, yesterday was very stressful, because in the night it pumped and it went up like crazy again. And I also was sweating, and I thought, oh no, my short. But I also hold it, and right now I'm still at profit and everything is okay. But it doesn't matter, because what matters is when we close, okay, when we exit. And this is the most significant point of the trading, in my opinion. So why I am still short right now? Because right now I see those EMA of the strategy, they are coming together, and also we have closed below the 50 EMA and below the both of the EMAs, and for me this might suggest that we go more down. Also the basic indicator right here is kind of the negative phase, so I want to see if actually, with all the noise, even if we go some up, maybe, I don't know, with all the noise, I want to see that we not break the 50 RSI on the level on the daily, and we continue to go maybe more down, okay? This is on the daily level, but of course there are always two sides of the market, and you know me, I like to watch both sides. So also the bulls have actually a strong win today, in my opinion also. And why I say like this? Because what is happening is when many sellers are stepping in, okay, so it causes the panic. I'm sure you know this. And when everybody is panic selling, sooner or later price pumps. And this is why I also think that in case of a pump, it is possible for us to again retest this level and maybe even higher, somewhere around 11K. And why I say 11K? Because 11K is right about the mid BB on the daily, and it also above the strategy EMA. And if we climb up to here and we kind of like close in here, so it will drag many bulls inside, I think, because it will be like kind of a confirmation. But and again, if this closes above the mid BB, it will be a confirmation for the bulls. More bulls will step in, and when more bulls step in is already when I am afraid that price will drop. Okay, so this is why right now I'm still short and stop loss in profit, like I said in the Discord server. But again, it can always pump because market has two directions, and you know I follow my systems, my signals, and I follow also mostly my brain. What my systems gives me, I analyze this. Okay, I don't do everything. It's not simple as people think. They ask me every signal, not every signal. No, not every signal, because if every signal was working, so everybody will be sitting at home and trading lazy strategy or some else strategy and be resting. Okay, this is not the case. I'm sure that if you seriously trade, that you know this is not easy. Anyway, sorry for the mumbling. Let's do a quick run-up of the time frames. Okay, this is the daily. I just explained while I'm still short, and the possible pump to around 11K, something like this. And I still believe that if we go to 11K, that we might drop. Why I say 11K? Because 11K will drag bulls into the game. This is what market wants. They want more players. It doesn't matter the direction. And also 11K will invalidate our strategy. Short signal here and here will cause panic. Will cause panic on this signal that it was right eventually, and everything will kind of start to moon. When everybody will press the green button, it will again, in my opinion, dump. But we follow to see what unfolds, because nobody actually knows, and we can only speculate. Okay, so I don't want to waste more time. Let's do it quickly. The 4-hour chart, OPA, we see a new short signal on this candle. Okay, also we are below the RSI 50, which for me, you know me, is bearish. Also we have this shit here that is kind of like bull trapping. I don't know if we can call this, but for me it's like this. MACD also shows a little bit maybe bearish sign, because if the lines cross, a negative histogram will start to play. And also the stochastic RSI is showing like down. What I don't like about the stochastic RSI down is, like I tell you about the 7 boom theory that people love. Those indicators with two lines, like the MACD and the stochastic RSI, once they cross, it's the sign for a kind of short. Okay, of course with more confirmation, and then 7 candles, it goes the direction. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, it means that maybe we've got 6 and 7 candle maybe to go down, if no surprises, and this will pump now. 7 candles till we go down, and right about here we start of thinking take profit, close, reverse, all these things. I don't know, only I say so because I'm short. Okay, so this is the 4-hour short signal. Again, a close, we have only 1 hour. A close below the strategy EMA for me is still bearish. The problem with the still bearish is, like I say to you, we are at bull territory, we hunt bulls. At bear territory, they hunt bears. So be ready and make decision wisely and not in a rush. Okay, let's see the 1 hour chart. 1 hour chart, we can see that again here it pumped like crazy. I didn't take this signal, I was already at bed. Okay, never mind. It went up, PB top action again. This line was resistance strong, and when we went down, slow bleed, and then down, short signal, went down. I hope you close at profit here. Here a false kind of long signal that trapped bulls, and again we go down. Right now the bear cross is here, and you'll know what I say about the bear cross when it's coming. Before it's like the smart bears, they see it, so they say I must short this shit before it bear crosses, and market says okay, read my email, and then I will short with you maybe after you long. Okay, you get me? But again, this doesn't mean nothing, because also bottom BB action, and I watch to see here if the bottom BB actually gives us more bottom. You know what I mean? Because I don't like to pick the first wave. The second wave also didn't went so good, you see, but the EMA is stressing me out for more down. I don't know. 30 minutes, let's see. 30 minutes, same situation in my opinion, nothing new. Also we are below the RSI 50, and the scalpers time frame, the 15 minutes, we can see that right now already a green candle, top of the BB band, bottom of the BB band after the short signal. It maybe want to take high leverage or late shorts, okay, can go up to here, can close above mid BB, but bulls will be bulls more when it will close above the red dotted. When it will close, if it close above red dotted, you will see that because market is tricky, we will get one candle red and then it will go up to here, okay, but this is all scenarios when it doesn't mean nothing, because next candle will say more than all that I can try to say right now, okay? This is my approach to the market. So the next candle will say more than everything I have ever said, okay? This is very simple. If you took short from here, maybe, I don't know, consider taking profits here, 50%, 30%, 70%, 20%, I don't know how much percent you need, and moving the stop loss into a safe area. What is safe area? There is no safe area. If you believe in the short, I would put my stop loss again very near break even, because I already took the profit and I don't care. It's like a free trade, and if it goes down, it goes down. If it goes up, it goes up, okay? Everything is good. Okay, so let's sum it up on the daily. Again, I am still short because this short is still valid in my opinion, and it won't be valid once it will close above both EMAs a candle, okay? And even then I'm not in the rush, because I watch to see if they don't trick us again like here, like they did with the bulls, the poor bulls here, okay? And again, let's also look at the other setup I follow, the 7 EMA script. You can check in the trading view profile if you didn't have this yet. It's a simple, it's nothing special, it's just EMAs. But we can see that right now we have kind of a bearish engulfing on the daily, and if this continues some little more, then it might even more come down. Also this bear cross, you know what, I don't like it, because like I said, the bears see this and they go short and the market goes up. So you understand why I say 11K, because it can go up to this, maybe even to, if we take 11K, it's right about here if we continue this kind of thing, okay? And for me it adds up, okay? But again, I'm not so quick let go of my short, and again, this is not an advice, but we will see what will happen. Okay, so also what I wanted to show you today is if you press Alt-I, okay, you will see reverse chart, and on the reverse chart, yeah, go we have this is the first get near net no and this is how I look sometimes also at charts, and you see it's like going bull on the reverse chart, and it's like simple, yes, because it's crossing the bulls, you know what I mean. And if we neglect the thing that I say to you, that once it crosses the bull sign, the EMA crossing, many times prices go down, okay? So if this actually goes up on the reverse chart, maybe to test this level, maybe to test this level, maybe to test this level, I don't know, it means that it actually goes down, because it's a reverse chart, okay? And I sometimes watch this, because you will see that if you start to flip charts, you will see interesting things, okay? And today I want to show you also another thing. This indicator is the default indicator of the trading view. Everyone got it, you see how simple it was? super trend, everybody is looking for very complicated indicators, and I get it. I use complicated indicators myself, because eventually when you're trading, you know that this is what happens. But anyways, you can see that even on the default super trend signal of the trading view, it was a buy. So everybody who bought the bottom is suddenly less smart, less market profits, okay? Less, in my opinion, less. Okay, it went up very good, nice profit, very good job. Here we got a sell signal of the super trend. Now we got a buy signal on the super trend. But also I watched this EMA, I watched it go to the negative phase, and you see these levels I marked here. If this goes a little bit down and this level acts as resistance on the other side, it means that market will go more down. And if market will go more down, this line buy will break and we'll get a new super trend sell signal. Okay, so I also watch this. You can plot this shit on the trading view. It's simple, just press indicators and super trend and you will see it. And what is nice about it, it's work on every time frames. It works many times on okay, but of course it depends what you want. But you can see that once it goes, okay, and it's not so easy. It's not so easy to shake it off, okay? It's not so easy to shake it off. Like you can see here, pluck, the candle went, and now what happened? Again, sell, okay? So I think this maybe for, okay, I will tell you one thing. It's not all, but because I want to tell you one more thing. And the thing is this line, okay? And what I think about this line is only speculation. It doesn't mean that happened. But I want to see if market actually starts to go down until the Bakkt opening. Why I say like this? Because soon people will say that because if it is physical futures and they have to hold the BTC and all of this, so they got to buy, so market will be brought down in order for them to buy, in order for them to participate in the market, in order for them to buy cheap. And for in the 23 of September, when the date will be close to us, I assume that we will get the bullish sentiment before the opening of this shit, and of course we will get the bear shit, because everybody always shits on both sides, okay? It's okay. So what I think that people will think that if the market goes down, people will think that they will buy on the 24th of September, 23rd, they will buy because the market went down and this is the bottom, and now they will buy and now it will moon. But I also look at the possibility that market goes down until the opening, and all this bullish sentiment that will be created by the opening, it will open and bring market more down, like painful down. And this is I am afraid of, but I am also ready for this. So just a speculation, just something to think about. I don't want to be salty. I don't want to be on the dark side, but this is what I watch. This is how I think, because in my opinion, it just doesn't add up that we will all go to the moon together, like fun, hand in hand. It is very strange for me, okay? So I watch this, and again, you've got the exchanges, and you've got people that hold in on the side. They don't even know what is exchanges. So market has many levels and views and all of this, okay? It's a complicated place. So anyways, I hope this was helpful for somebody today, and I see you next time. Thank you for watching. If you want, check the links in the description. Everything is there, written in plain text. You can message me, you can comment, you can like, you cannot like, you can subscribe, but the most important is subscribe and press that bell, because that feeds the algo, and when it feeds the algo, I will reach to more people, and when I will reach to more people, people will think I am dumb, and they will not follow, and only those who will listen to me and understand how I talk and what I talk will follow, and this is what I need. Okay, so take care, bye guys, and thank you very much, and keep following on the Discord, and I see you next time, and bye bye.